Hello students, we can see fourth part of principles of inheritance and variation. Under this, we are going to see the subtopics of sex determination, mutation, pedigree analysis, genetic disorders, Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Yes. Now first one, sex determination. Already you studied sex determination in 10th standard. In human being, we can determine the sex with the help of sex chromosome, that is XX and Y. Okay, here we can see the sex determination with the help of sex chromosomes only. Here two different types are there, that is male heterogamety and female heterogamety. Male, so you can understand heterogamety, that means it can produce two types of gametes. See here, two examples are given, XX, XY. Can you identify this is human? XX chromosome found in female, XY in male. Okay, so female can produce only X chromosome gamete, but male can produce the sperm with either X or Y, so it is heterogamety. Here if you will take grasshopper or insects, here female is XX, the male is X0. So the gamete, two different gametes are produced. This gamete sperm with X, other gamete without X. Okay, second type, female heterogamety. So here the male is homo, female is hetero. Now you see here ZZ. This is what? Male. ZW is female. Already we saw female heterogamety. So female can produce two types of gametes. Either the gamete with the Z chromosome or gamete with the W chromosome. Like that way here also ZZ, Z0. Here also the female produce gametes with either Z chromosome or O0 chromosome or without Z chromosome. Okay, so male heterogamety and female heterogamety. Here the chromosomes involved in sex determination are called sex chromosomes. Already I think you know, in human being 46 chromosomes, out of that 22 pairs are autosomes, that is body chromosomes. Only one pair is sex chromosome or allosomes. Okay, all these based on Henking. Okay, scientist Henking discovered the genetic or chromosomal basis of sex determination by working on insects. Okay, so Henking only told about all this first. He could trace a specific nuclear structure all through the spermatogenesis in few insects. He observed that after spermatogenesis, 50% of the sperm obtained these structures while 50% did not. Okay. Later on, it was found that the X body observed by Henking was actually nothing but X chromosome, that only named as X chromosome later. Okay. So he discovered the sex determination. How? By working on insects based on chromosomes. Okay, then he could trace some changes. Then based on that, he told 50% of the sperm possess, 50% did not have that. Based on that, autosomes and allosomes are also told by them. Then X0 type of sex determination. Here see this pictorial representation. easy for you to follow. Male, this A represent what? Autosomes. X, 0, that represent sex chromosome. Okay. So here the gamete may possess X along with autosomes. The other 50% of gamete possess 0 with autosomes. So there are two different types of males are produced. So male heterogamety. See here, female XX. So it can produce only the gamete with X chromosomes only. Here all gametes have X, but here 50% of gametes may have X, 50% do not have. That is only explained here. Okay. So next, this is explained in insects. XY type, that is human also, you know, XY type only. See here, this is XX, so this is female, XY is male. So female can produce all the gametes with only X chromosome, but male can produce gametes with X or Y. Okay, that is only shown here. Here 22, in male it is given 22 plus XY. That is 22 is autosomes, XY is sex chromosome. Like that way female 22 plus XX. Okay, this is observed in human and Drosophila. Then female heterogamety found in birds and cockroach. So female only possesses two different types of gametes it can produce. Why? Because along with autosomes it has ZW. So some gametes may have Z, some may have W. But male they possess ZZ. So all gametes have Z only. Okay. See here, cockroach, the female along with autosomes they have Z0, but male along with autosomes ZZ. So here all gametes possess only Z, but here it can produce with the Z or with the 0. So this is female heterogamety. Based on this, sex can be determined. Next, we can see mutation. Mutation is nothing but sudden change due to environment, mostly in the genes. Genes are present on where? DNA. So, alteration of DNA sequence resulting in changes in genotype and phenotype of the organisms. Usually, the DNA helix is present inside the chromatid. Hence, any change that may be insertion or deletion in the DNA sequence affects the chromosome. Point mutation. From the term itself, we can understand single base pair of DNA affected. Any change takes place, then mutation is point mutation. Example, sickle cell anemia. We will see later. Then frame shift mutation. Here this mutation arises due to deletion or insertion of DNA sequence. Then mutagens. Mutagens are agents which causes the mutation. Chemical or physical agents, example UV radiations. The organism which undergo mutation is called a mutant. The unit of mutation is called a muton. Yes. Pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is nothing but the analysis of inheritance of traits in generations of a family in the form of a family tree diagram, from grandparent, mother to children, then from them to grandchildren, like that way. That is only family tree diagram. Regarding that analysis done, based on what it takes place, inheritance of traits, that is only pedigree analysis. By using pedigree analysis, inheritance of a specific trait or abnormality or disease can be traced. It is extensively used in medical research. DNA is believed to be the carrier of genetic information which passes unaltered from generation to generation. Mutations occasionally alter the genetic material, and genetic diseases are believed to be associated with these alterations. Because of alterations only, genetic materials are changed, so diseases occur. Then we can see the standard symbols used in pedigree analysis, just like a square male, round or circle female, then a square in vertical form sex, unspecified. If it is shaded, then we can say affected individuals. Then square and circle, male and female, connected, then mating. If two lines are drawn, that is a mating between relatives, that is not good, advisable. Then from them the individuals are formed, that is shown. We can see all those. See, this is the male, female, then unspecified sex. This is sex unspecified. This is affected individuals. This is affected male, affected female. This is affected unspecified sex individual. Then mating, this is mating between relatives. Here parents, then here children, then here parents with, this is a male child affected because a shading given. Then what this number denote? 5 unaffected offsprings are produced. Then next, genetic disorder. Yes, from the term itself we can understand genetically any defect. Okay, this include Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders characterized by mutation in a single gene. Their mode of inheritance follows the principles of Mendelian's inheritance. Mendelian disorders can be autosomal dominant. For that example, muscular dystrophy, it is shown here. This is muscular dystrophy. This is autosomal dominant, okay, Mendelian disorder. See here, this is here female is affected, male is normal. The children are one female, then one affected male, one normal male, then one affected female. Then they are breeding with here normal male with normal female, so normal 3 individuals are produced. Affected female with normal male, so the individual affected female with the 2 normal male is produced. Okay. Then autosomal recessive sickle cell anemia, then sex-linked hemophilia. All these are best example for Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders due to mutation or alteration in single gene. First we can see hemophilia. Already you know hemophilia is continuous oozing of blood from the wound. There is no clotting. It was found from Queen Elizabeth family, so it is known as royal disease. This is mainly due to sex-linked recessive disease. The gene which create this hemophilia is located on X chromosome. So transmission from unaffected female to male progeny. So female is acting like a carrier. Okay, females act as a carrier of disease. Mostly males are affected. Okay, rarely only female get this disease. When female get disease, mother should be a carrier and father should be a hemophilic, then only the female child will get disease. Otherwise female is acting like a carrier only, mostly males are affected. In this disease, protein involved in blood clotting is affected, therefore even a simple cut results in uncontrolled bleeding. Sickle cell anemia. Yes, this diagram shows, see this is the normal red blood cell shape. biconvict, but when it affected, it becomes sickle in shape. So this disease is known as sickle cell anemia. It is an autosomal linked recessive trait. Transmission from parent to offspring when both parents are carriers of disease. See, pair of alleles HB. What is HB? Hemoglobin A. That is normal only. HBS, that is sickle shape, controls the expression of this disease. You can see here HBA, that is normal. HBS, that is sickle shape. Because of that, it is a carrier of disease. Here both are yes, so it is diseased. Okay, single means it is a carrier. Both are yes, then diseased. Cause of the disease is mainly in the sixth position of the amino acid. Glutamic acid is substituted by valine. Okay, because of that only this disease is caused. You can see here, cause of the disease, change in gene causes the replacement of GAG by GUG. You know, 3 letters code for one amino acid. Here the glutamic acid is replaced by valine at 6th position of beta globin chain of hemoglobin. So the mutant hemoglobin is formed, polymerizes at low oxygen tension, resulting in change in shape of RBC to sickle shape. Phenylketonuria, phenylalanine, it should be converted to tyrosine in the presence of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. If it is affected or mutated, then phenylalanine accumulate. Okay, because of that, phenylpyruvic acid accumulate in brain, that is leads to some mental retardation that you can see in this. Dopamine is nothing but the substance which is found in brain. Okay. Then thalassemia, autosome linked recessive disease. It occurs due to either mutation or deletion, resulting in reduced rate of synthesis of one of global chain of hemoglobin, either alpha or beta thalassemia. You can see the diagram and understand. Here more RBCs, but here the RBCs are less due to mutation. Color blindness. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. You know already in eyes, rod cells and cone cells are there. Rods for brightness, cone cells for color differentiation. Here that cells are affected or mutated, then not able to see or discriminate between red and green color. Its gene is present on X chromosome. It is observed more in males because of presence of only one X chromosome as compared to 2 chromosomes in female. So mostly males are affected. Here even in this diagram or picture, you can see in the first case what is the number given, 12. Then can you find out in other cases? You try to find out the number what is given here. Chromosomal disorders. Already you know 46 chromosomes are found in human. Out of that 22 pairs are autosomes. 1 pair is sex chromosome. So totally 23 pairs. Now monosomy. Term itself shows mono refers to one. Lack of any one pair of chromosomes. Trisomy, 3. So addition of one chromosome, inclusion of an additional copy of chromosome. Then aneuploidy, there is loss or gain of chromosome due to failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. Yes, here we can see first Down syndrome. This is 21 trisomy. Presence of an additional copy of chromosome. You know, all pair only 2, but here one more chromosome is there. So trisomy of 21. Affected individual has short stature, small round neck, furrowed tongue, partially open mouth, palm crease, then congenital heart disease and mental retardation. Klinefelter syndrome. This is 47 chromosome, that is one copy is extra, that is XY instead of that XXY. So additional. Affected individual has an overall masculine development with feminine breast. Male only but looks like female, many characters. Gynecomastia, that is development of breast. Individual is sterile. Poor beard growth. Feminine voice, okay, even though he is a male, like a female voice. Then Turner syndrome. Here lack of one chromosome, so that is 45 chromosomes only, X0. Affected females are sterile. Here females have rudimentary ovaries, secondary sexual characters are absent, poor development of breast, webbed neck, short stature, small uterus, puffy fingers, then poor development of breast because of lack of one chromosome. Okay, thank you all. I will give you assignment in WhatsApp. Read and take down the notes in your classwork.